Slugs in Love, written by Susan Pearson, retold by Aniya Embry. Mary Lou likes Herbie, so she wrote a love poem in slime. Mary Lou wanted to meet up at 2:30. Herbie said, "Tell me where we should meet." Herbie told Mary Lou that he adores her poems. Mary Lou said that Herbie could make her happy if he just paid more attention to her. Herbie climbed so high, but he still couldn't find Mary Lou. Mary Lou said that she was in the barn. Will they finally meet each other? Read Slugs in Love in the Hoover Library to find out if Herbie and Mary Lou will ever meet each other.